Hi everybody, I'm just going to show you two quick ways of tying your belt for your child now. Okay, so the first way is I want you to put the two ends together, and what that does is it enables you to find the middle of the belt. Okay, so can you just put your arms out for me? So just turn that way so we can see. So you're going to put the middle of the belt on the belly. Okay, choose which side you want to do, it doesn't make any difference. You're going to wrap one end round. And the other end is going to go around, but it's going to go on top of it. So if I just ask Finn to turn, so that's just going to lay itself on top of the first end. Okay, turn around again. So that one will get back to there, and this one that we had first is going to tuck up onto the inside. Okay, so I'm just going to hold that there so we can you can see how it's one belt, as it looks as if it's one belt all the way around. Okay, the one that's on the outside is now going to go up through both. Okay, so we tighten it in place. We're going to tighten it, but not too much because we want them to be able to breathe as they start to exercise. So you should be able to at least get a finger in there, so it should be nice and loose, but tight enough to stay on. And then the top one will go over and then through. And then when you pull it, it should come out the side. So it should look something like that. Okay, so hopefully that one makes sense. I'm just going to take this off. That's the way we tie our belts, especially if you do it yourself. It's going to be the quickest way of doing it, but sometimes it's also one of the more confusing ways to learn. So I'm going to show you another method. So what we do for this method is we're going to take one end and just turn around a little bit for me. You're going to put that. I'm going to start on the middle of his back. With your child, we might need to change where that start position is, but I'll show you that as we go through. So we go from there, and then all you do is you wrap it round. And then you wrap it round again, so you've gone round twice, and then just turn around for me, and so you get to that same position. Okay, the one, in fact, sorry Finn, turn around again. So that one that was on his back, if you just pull it down, and you will get to that same position that we got to on the other method. Okay, now you'll notice here that we've got one end that's longer than the other. Okay, so what we want to do is adjust that at this point, and so I'm just going to move this end round. And then hopefully that should mean that they're more or less the same length. Okay. Once you've done that, you'll be able to figure out. So for Finn, that means that the belt's not going to quite be on the center of his back. It'll be more to the side of his back. You can always adjust it anyway, but once you've done it a couple of times, you'll figure out where to start. Because obviously as kids grow, there's going to be different heights, which means there'll be different start positions. Okay. In any case, you get to this position, you're going to go same one, outside one goes up through both, same as we did before. Tighten it a little bit, and then you're going to go over and through and pull. So you can see how the belt's coming out the side. It looks nice and neat. Still going to fall off as he starts to train, but it starts off nice and neat. Okay, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.